example, imagine, let me make it simple for you. Imagine here is water and I keep this body like this vertically. Now, because of the pressure here, the force on this part of the body will be upward. Force on this part will be where? Because it is a pushing force, remember. The force of pressure is always pushing force. So whatever pressure is here, that will push this surface up. Whatever pressure is here, that will push the surface down. Whatever is the pressure here, that will push this part this side. Whatever is the pressure here, that will push the surface this side. Are you understanding? Just give me yes or no. Whatever is the pressure here, that will push it this side. And whatever is the pressure here, that will push the surface this side. Now look carefully. Force here and here will cancel. Why they will cancel? Because here and here, you can see both of them are at the same height from the surface of the liquid. Let us say this is the surface of the liquid. So can you see this point and this point? Both the points are at same height or not? So if both the points, this one and this one, are at the same height, pressure here and here will be same. Matlab force here and force here will balance. Similarly, force here and here will balance. 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 But pressure here is more or here is more? Pressure here is more because of gravity. Pressure here is more, remember or not? Because of that, this force will be more than this force. Matlab, the total force on this body by the liquid will be in what direction? Upward or downward or right side or left side? Upward. Everybody understood why, right? Because forces on the sides will balance. Forces on the sides will balance. But this force will be more than this force. So this body will feel a total force from the liquid only. I'm talking right now, only liquid. So that total force will be upward. That is what we call buoyant force.